kids, welcome to Maths class. I am Deepthi from NLK Group of Schools. Today we are going to do the story sums in which we are going to apply addition. So now, taking one of the examples from the given story sums in the mixed bag at page number 33. Meera likes to collect bangles. She has 32 red bangles, 47 green bangles and 29 blue bangles. How many bangles does she have in all? The word in all denotes us that we have to tell the number altogether. So, when the word in all is there in the story sum, then we apply addition. To write the statements, number of red bangles equals to 32, number of green bangles equals to 47, number of blue bangles equals to 29. Now number of bangles in all. As we know, for in all we have to do addition. Put a plus sign. Now doing the addition of these three numbers. Adding the ones digit first. As we know, we can add the numbers in any order. We get the sum same. So firstly adding 7 and 2. So 7 and 2 is 9. Now keep 9 in mind and add it with the third number, that is 9. So 9 plus 9 is 18. Now regroup the number. As in ones place only one digit come, so this 10 of 18 will go in the tens column. Now we have to add 4 numbers. 3, 4 and 2 and also the 1 that we got after regrouping. So 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 3 is 9, 9 plus 1 is 10. So now we have 108 bangles in all. Oh wow, see, there is a puzzle. It's a fun to solve a puzzle. So we will solve it. But the numbers are given there across and down. What does it mean? It means that the numbers that are given in across will go from left to right. And the numbers that are given down, they will go from up to top to bottom. Okay? Now for solving this puzzle, we have to keep in mind 3 things. First is that we have to do addition, writing the numbers in vertically in a rough notebook and then finding out the sum. Second thing, if we are doing across, we have to look at the alphabet given and in the block we have to find that alphabet. So as it is given 39 plus 13, when we will add these two numbers we will get the sum 52. So in the A block across from left to right we will write 52. Now come to the second option, that is D, 60 plus 27. So 60 plus 27 is 87. Now it is given in the D option. So go here, it is D and the sum is of across. So we will write here like this from left to right. So we will write 87. Now taking an example of the down option. Here the first in the A option it is written 50 plus 8. And we know do the addition of the tens digit. 50 plus 8 is 58. So we will write it and see. In option A, down from top to bottom, oh, already it is written 58. See, we have solved the sum of across. Now, how to fill it in the puzzle? Option E is 43. We have written in E 43. Then option F is 96. We have written from left to right 96. So by filling the sum of the across sums we got these numbers. Now going to the down one. Now look at the down sums. B option says the sum is 27. When we move to B we see that it is already 27. Now C option says it is 93. So here in the C from top to bottom we will write 93. We have written 9 and 3 was already there. Now moving to E option, it is 46. It is already written in the puzzle. Now 72. It is also there in the puzzle. 50 for H. It is also there. Now the last I is 13. So 1 is written there and we will write 3. Wasn't it fun to play with numbers? We have solved the puzzle. Keep practicing the sums. We will meet in the next class.